Hello and welcome back to the channel TNV Academy. If you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights on ISO standards and certification processes. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to implement ISO 17021 in a certification body. If you are running or managing a certification body, understanding and applying ISO 17021-2015 is essential for ensuring credibility, impartiality, and effective auditing practices. Let's get started. Understanding ISO 17021-2015. Before implementation, it's crucial to understand what ISO 17021-2015 is all about. This standard provides requirements for certification bodies that audit and certify management system. It ensures that certification bodies operate with competence, consistency, and impartiality. Establishing impartiality. One of the first steps in implementation is ensuring impartiality. Certification bodies must operate independently and avoid conflicts of interest. Establish an impartiality policy. Set up a committee for safeguarding impartiality. Identify and mitigate any risk that may affect impartiality. Ensuring competence of auditors. A certification body must have a qualified and competent auditors. Define competency criteria for auditors, provide training and continuous development programs. Conduct regular performance evaluations of auditors. Ensure auditors have knowledge of the specific management system standards they assess. Developing audit and certification procedures. ISO 17021 requires a structured approach to audits. Certification bodies must define and implement clear audit and certification procedures. Application process. Establish criteria for accepting clients. Audit planning. Define the scope, objectives, and schedule. Stage 1 audit. Conduct a review of the management system. Stage 2 audit. Perform an in-depth assessment of implementation. Certification decision. Ensure an independent review before issuing certification. Surveillance audits. Monitor ongoing compliance. Recertification audits. Conduct audits before certification expiration. Documentation and record keeping. Certification bodies must maintain proper records and documentation to ensure transparency and compliance. Develop and maintain audit reports. Keep records of auditor qualifications and training. Document certification decisions and client interactions. Implement a document control system to manage updates. Obtaining accreditation. To be recognized as a legitimate certification body, it's important to obtain accreditation from an accreditation body such as IAF, International Accreditation Forum, recognized bodies. Understanding ISO IEC 17011, which outlines accreditation body requirements. Apply to a recognized accreditation body. Undergo assessment and audits to verify compliance with ISO 17021. Address any non-conformities identified during accreditation. Implementing ISO 17021-2015 in a certification body requires a structured approach, focusing on impartiality, auditor competence, well-defined processes, and accreditation. By following these steps, your certification body will operate with integrity and compliance, ensuring trust in your certifications. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on ISO standards and certification processes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.